Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Independence Day.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, just wait a minute. Hello. Sorry, that was must to attend the call. Excuse me for that. Okay. So, okay. So we will read today. Okay, not everyone is here, right? Okay, we will wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then we will start with relationship between TC and your MC. Total cost and marginal cost. So how's your day going? How's Independence Day going? Everyone is going out or celebrating inside at home? Relatives coming? What's happening?
No, ma'am, I am not in home right now, as I told you yesterday.
Okay, you are in a relative house, right? Uncle's house.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what about Vishnu's plan? Vishnu, what about today's plan? Yeah.
No, ma'am, not that much.
No, I'm asking Ajit, dinner plan kona Independence Day ঘরে কোন হচ্ছে না না item খাଇବା ପାଇଁ নাকি আসଛନ୍ତି relatives coming, brothers, cousins. We actually do like that. We have a get together every time. All my cousins come, but unfortunately today they can't be because everyone is busy with their jobs and everything. So we are going to celebrate the Independence Day on Wednesday. Okay, so everyone will come, right? Let me plot the class. Next. Suman will be joining. What's the plan? Okay, now Suman is here. Okay. Good afternoon. Happy Independence Day, Suman.
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. So cost we have to cover cost हमको अब किछटा portion ही cover करने रही Today I'll cover that and the cost will be over. The first we are going to read about today is the relationship between your MC and TC. That is your marginal cost and total cost. Okay. Now in MC and TC, when your output, wait a second. Just give me a moment. Okay, yeah, this one. Sorry, I have slide to I have gone to a different slide. Okay. Now your MC relationship between your MC and TC is your MC is the addition to TC. Okay. Your MC is the addition to TC. How is that possible? Because ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ additional cost ଆମର marginal cost add ହଉଛି ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ how do we calculate MC? MC is equal to del TC by del Q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
C is equal to
Yes,
del
ma'am.
TC Q. So MC is the addition to TC. When one more unit of output is produced, then MC is calculated like this. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ one more unit of output produce ହଉଛି, how do we find out the marginal cost? We find out the marginal cost by this formula. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Second point is when TC rises at diminishing rate, MC declines. Okay, when TC rises at diminishing rate, your MC declines. Look at the point E dash. Okay, look at the point E dash. When TC has rise to T, when your TC has rise in a decreasing rate, you know, in a diminishing rate, your MC has declined. E dash to E. ये जो point है, this is your decline point, right? ये जो पॉइंट है डिक्लाइन होची बट ए जो पॉइंट रे कोन होची किसिटा हमर डिमिनिशिंग रेट रे बढ़ुची ओके एंड ई डैश इज योर पॉइंट वेयर योर टीसी राइजेस in a diminishing rate and at that point your MC declines meaning a point okay this point. Now, when TC stops at increasing at diminishing rate, then MC reaches its minimum point. When TC stops at decreasing rate, okay, when TC stops increasing at a diminishing rate, then your MC reaches at its minimum point. That is your point E. When TC stops at increasing, ଯେତେବେଳେ TC ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯାଏ diminishing rate ରେ ବଢିବା ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମର MC ତାର minimum point ରେ ପହଞ୍ଚେ. That is, this is your minimum point of your MC. That is point E. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now your
Yes,
relationship
ma'am.
between TC and MC is over. We will run about your average variable cost. Okay. What is average variable cost? What is your average variable cost?
Ma'am, variable cost per unit.
Variable cost, average variable cost is your variable cost per unit. 5 रे एतिकी लागुची गोटे रे average variable cost केते बाहरिबो. Understood? Okay. Now, okay. Average variable cost of formula कौन? Your AVC is equal to PVC by Q, right? But average variable cost of graph ta is your U-shaped graph, okay? Okay. Now average variable graph is your always an U-shaped graph. U-shaped graph कौन पे होगा? Your average variable graph is always a U-shaped graph. Okay. U-shaped curve होगा तारा every time because it first falls. Okay, and then it rises. It fall kala, it rise kala. First it falls and then it rises. Now why it falls and why it rises? It happens due to law of variable proportion. Now kali hi hame law of variable proportion padhile. What is law of variable proportion?
And this law states that when we keep the fixed factor constant and increases the variable factor, the first the output increases in an increasing rate, then in a decreasing rate, then it's stop increasing, it's become negative.
Very good. Very good. Law of variable proportion. That law states that when we keep one factor constant by inputting every increasing all other factors, first it will fall at a, it will increase at an increasing rate, then it will increase at a diminishing rate, and then it will move to the negative stage. Okay, now it happens, law of variable proportion jogu amara graph ta ABC ro sada bele U shape aschi. First it falls, then it rises. Understood?
Ma'am,
Okay. Now, if the average, yeah.
ma'am, yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Pura. Ma'am, in the last graph, that is of total cost and marginal cost. Ma'am, in marginal cost, the graph also was like first it decreases, then it also increases.
Your margin, no, it was increased for marginal cover graph that it's like this. It decreases, it decreases rapidly. Here it does not go rapidly. In law of variable proportion, here it happens due to law of variable proportion. Why? Because when the graph decreases, when the first initially it increases at an increasing rate, it increases at a slow pace. The now pace here is considered. Why? Because I told you pace, because here it increases rapidly. Marginal cost falls rapidly, then it increases. In ABC, it does not happen like that. It does not fall rapidly. Okay, it does not. It has जोर से फंस दीजिए. Here the graph is okay. I'll explain in a simple graph. It is a graph over there, hello, and the curve will go like this. But here it is a U-shaped curve. What a U को imagine कर, does it fall rapidly and then it stabilizes and then it falls rapidly from the beginning. It is marginal curve रे. যদি marginal curve আমরা ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା মানে কোন কোন it's definitely is properly a U-shaped curve. It would have been something like this. But in marginal curve, it starts to fall rapidly. That's why it is not in the shape of like this. It's in shape of like this. Move, slap to the
Yes,
house.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Okay, now your ABC is your U-shaped curve. Now why it is U-shaped? Because first it falls and then it rises. Now why it happens? Because law of variable proportion. Suppose your variable factor is your labor. Okay. Now labor is your variable factor. That means we can say your labor is your average. We can take it ABC as labor. Can we take it or we can't take it? I mean labor को average variable factor is नहीं बने.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ଯେତେବେଳେ labor ର price କମିବ ସେତେବେଳେ average variable cost ର price ବଢିବ ନା କମିବ?
Ma'am,
When it will increase, it will also
increase.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood concept here. Average variable cost. Okay. Now we will move to the relationship between your SC and your MC. What is SC? What is SC?
Average cost.
Okay, wait a second. Let me close it. Question I will purchase Laura, you will get a clarification in this when you read about relationship between SC and MC. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now your AC ro formula kona? What is your AC formula? How do you find out AC? କେତେଥର କହିବି ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ପୋଡ଼ି ଖାଇ ଦେଉଛ କଣ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି TC by Q and your MC is ଆଉ yes ମୁଁ ତ କହିଲା ପରେ ସବୁ ଇଏ ସବୁ କଣ କୋଉଟା MC is equal to del TC by your del Q. Now why del stands for, what does del stands for here?
And change.
Okay. Now the first relationship is both AC and MC are calculated from TC. Is it wrong or is it right? AC और MC हमें TC रो calculate करी पन्ने.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The first relationship defined है first relationship justified है MC and AC are calculated both from TC by the formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now when AC falls, MC is less than AC. When AC falls, your MC is less than AC. Now, why is MC less than AC? Because MC is below AC. एटी MC रा तळे अछि ना ऊपर अछि.
Tole.
Ma'am, thoda
That's why it is less than your AC.
AC.
Now, when MC starts rising, AC may still be declining. Okay, when MC starts rising, then your AC may still be declining. एबे जेबे हमरो AC टा एठी बॉडी चलला, ए पॉइंट रे बढुची ना नहीं. राइज होची, बट एठी को हला. एठी हमर AC टा डिक्लाइन करि गेलन ना नहीं. ना ये भी राइज होची. Your MC is rising, but your AC is declining, right? AC
Yes, ma'am,
declining
that-
करछि ना नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
So
That
when
when it was
Yeah, so when your MC rises, your AC is declining. This is your second condition. Okay. Now your third condition is, this is your third condition. Now your fourth condition is when AC starts rising, MC is greater than AC. Now who will say me what does this mean?
Question.
When AC starts rising, your MC is greater than AC.
Ma'am,
How is it justified over here? Yeah.
ma'am, AC is increasing in a slow movement, but MC is increasing in a rapidly way.
Perfect. Very good, Suman. Now, when your MC is rising in a rapid, Laura, please concentrate over here in this condition. When your MC is riding in a rapidly, but your AC is going in a diminishing rate. Okay, due to law of variable proportion. So when your MC is rising rapidly, your AC is rising slowly. That's why your MC is greater than AC. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will learn about the relationship between AC, ABC, AFC and MC. Okay. And after we read about AC, AFC, ABC and MC, your cost is getting over in this slide. Understood? Okay. Now first we will read the condition. The graph, first condition, the graph will be, see, I will be doing one graph, I will be explaining you that condition, then I will be erasing that graph and I will be again one other graph, because jodi sabu jaga graph mu eka sange tammanku kari debi, I am trying to go in a simpler method. I am not going to give you everything on one graph, okay? Tame jodi taku last gotte graph karibo, then you will understand, okay? So we'll go graph by graph, condition by condition, but in different graphs, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
To avoid confusions that is in the book, एते सारा point गोटे जगह रे दे देची देखला को मुंडा खराब हो जाउची जेंति सुमन रही जेतला, so we will avoid that thing. Okay. Okay, now the first condition is, let's see. Okay, now your first condition is, it's happening like this. Now your first condition is when the output increases, आमर एबे जेंती output increase हे चालुची सेतेबेले आमर AC आउ ABC रो कर्व रो डिफरेंस ता कमी कमी जाउची. Okay, it is your first condition. Okay, when your output is increasing, your difference between the gap between the AC and AV is decreasing. It empty body challe kami chalibo sethipai mu empty karchi. This is the difference that is going on decreasing. Dekha chi graph ta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now when the output amar jetobele gote production re output ta amara badhuchi, when the output is increasing amara AC और ABC ର curve ର difference टा भी धीरे धीरे कमी छिबो. Okay, now suppose output 1 to 2 हेछि, then amara AC जेतिके हेतो amara ABC दरकार हमें calculate करिबा, then the difference between that will go on increasing when we plot that table on the graph. Okay, this is your first condition. Clear first condition? First condition clear? Okay, we'll go to second condition. Your second condition states as output increases, the gap between your AC and AFC curve is increasing. Okay, when the output is increasing, use okay, now when the output is increasing, जेतबेले हमर output टा बढ़ुची, हमर AC और AFC रो gap, हमर curve रो gap टा भी सेमिति बढ़ी जाउची. The gap is never coming to one. हमर ए दिटा रो graph AC and AFC रो gap जेमति हमर कमुची, हमर AC और AFC रो graph से हमर AC और AFC रो curve सेमिति बढ़ी जाउची. The distance between these two graphs, these two curves is increasing. That's why I printed like this. Okay, understood? The gap is increasing, right? It's not decreasing.
Yes,
The AC or AFC. The second condition is when the output increases, your AFC and AC curve, the difference between them or the gap between these two curves increases. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Your third point is as output increases, ABC and can never touch AC because the gap between AC and ABC is AFC and if AFC can never be zero. I think I have explained this graph to you people also. As we are reading the relationship between all these factors, that's why we are going it through again. As I remember, I don't know if I am doing it wrong. Now, see. Now, as the output increases, AC, ABC and AC can never touch each other. Why? Because your AFC is never going to be zero. Average fixed cost can be zero. Are we having any fixed cost zero? Will we ever get it? Definitely no, right? So when your AFC is not going to be zero, your AC and ABC are never going to meet. This curve are never going to meet each other. Only the difference between them can go slow, can decrease and decrease, but it can never be combined together. It can never come together because your AFC is never going to be zero. Okay, understand? Vijayasla? Now AC cuts your AC, ABC and AFC at their lowest point. Okay. Now if Abu Jaga graph
Ma'am?
देखो, obviously वो graph, yeah.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if the difference between AC and ABC will goes on decreasing, ma'am, but at some point it will meet.
No, never. They can never meet because your AFC is never going to be zero. Average fixed cost AFC केबे zero है पारिबो की? Can your fixed cost be zero? Ever?
Oh, ma'am, it.
So that is the reason your AC and ABC. So AC and ABC are never going to meet because your AFC is never going to be
Ma'am,
zero.
it will goes on decrease. The difference will goes decreasing, but it will never be zero.
The distance between the curves will goes on narrowing and decreasing, but it will never reach zero or they never meet because your AFC is never going to be zero. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now your MC cuts the AC, ABC, and AFC at their lowest point. Lowest one is called A2 point. You know the point like this, when it goes like this point is the lowest point. Obviously, that is slanting hochi when it's the blackboard of and this pen is like little slippery. So my graph are not coming perfect. But it will cut every AC, ABC, and AC at their lowest point. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So AFC. Okay, remember this formula. A formula ta mane rakhile, you will every time when you see a graph, you will understand कि ABC केमिति पाइले हमें, AFC केमिति पाइले, and AC हमें जेमति पाउचे. धरकर हमर AFC देइचे हमें ABC केमिति पाइबा, हमर ABC देइचे हमें AFC केमिति पाइबा. Obviously math रे जणा अछि ना, math रे भी जणेबी.
Yes, ma'am. I'm AC ru minus कर
Yes,
दूँगा.
ma'am.
Okay. Now with this your cost chapter is over. Okay. With this slide, cost chapter is over. I don't think I have left any other portions. Can you please check and tell me if I have left any other portions? I don't think so. Yesterday I checked it like quite a few times. But please check and tell me if I have left any other portions. We covered relationship between your MC and TC. We covered ABC with diagram, U-shaped diagram, and we covered relationship between your MC and AC and MC, and we covered relationship between AC, ABC, AFC, and your MC. We covered all these things. Relationship between MC, SC, ABC, and AFC. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I hope with this your cost chapter will be ending, your cost module.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. But can you just send I have told you that the last class, the diagram of. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the diagram, I just have completely, I have just, sorry, it has just completely passed out of my mind due to work. I was really occupied. So, which diagram we are talking about, Kara?
Ma'am, I think it's of cost. I think you have just started the cost chapter and you have shown some diagram. That was not, I was not able to see in the video, ma'am. The diagram.
Everyone there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my current पळेला तो I no Wi-Fi disconnected. Okay. Yeah, co-graph को तो कोथलो लोरा तो.
Ma'am, I think it's you once started the cost chapter.
Cost chapter, just wait a minute. There are too many graphs, no? You just need
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
check.
Actually, ma'am, I don't know because I am not able to see the exact what you have written on the board.
Okay.
I think it was some of schedule or diagram.
Are you saying about this diagram, cost? This one? This one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I think it was this one. I have not seen this diagram.
Okay. Fine, I will send you right now. Otherwise, I'll forget the latter stage. I'll send this.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, the video from this diagram, ma'am, please you can see and
Which diagram? Send me the photo.
ma'am this one.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Send me the photo. Explanation. Is a page photo? ସେ ଗ୍ରାଫରେ କିଛି ନଥିବ ତୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ଖେଳେଇକି ବୁଝିନୁ ଆରେ meeting will end in 10 minutes please join
Okay, ma'am.
या से भीतर मते फोटोटा पठेଇ ଦେଇଛ